In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make EDM music in Suno AI. We'll start by crafting a clear style prompt using ChatGPT, then write original lyrics, and finally generate the track in Suno. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open the official ChatGPT website. Once you're in, we'll ask it to build a style prompt that Suno can follow. Type something like, create a Suno AI style prompt for EDM music. Include mode, BPM, instruments, vibe, and vocal style. This gives ChatGPT everything it needs to generate a focused, production-ready description. For context, EDM often sits around 124 to 130 BPM, with a minor or modal feel, punchy drums, side-chained bass, bright synth leads, and energetic builds and drops. A good style prompt helps Suno lock in tempo, tone, arrangement, and vocal character, so don't be afraid to be specific. Submit the message and wait for the response. When you're happy with the result, highlight the style prompt and copy it. Now head over to Suno and open the Create page. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. Use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. This tells Suno exactly what you want the track to feel like. Next, let's generate lyrics. Go back to ChatGPT and type a lyrics prompt such as, write original lyrics for an EDM song. The subject is about finally letting go and match the genre. Submit it and give it a moment. You can change the subject to anything you like. Motivation, summer nights, resilience. Just keep it cohesive with your style prompt. For EDM, aim for short, catchy lines, clear hooks, and a memorable chorus. If you see lines that feel too wordy, you can trim them later before pasting into Suno. Once the lyrics look good, highlight them and copy. Return to Suno, locate the lyrics field on the Create page, and paste them in. Double-check that your lyrics fit the vibe and energy of the style prompt you used. When you're ready, click Create. Suno will begin generating your music. This can take a little time, so be patient while the system builds the arrangement, synthesizes vocals, and balances the mix according to your prompt. When it finishes, you'll have a complete EDM track guided by your style and words. If the first result isn't quite right, remember you can tweak the prompt wording or adjust the lyrics for phrasing and try again. That's all there is to it. Clean prompt, clear lyrics. And Suno does the heavy lifting. Enjoy creating.